Hey, good morning. Good morning, my cleaning angels. Miguel here with Vacation Angels. We just arrived at a property and just wanted to check it out with you guys. We're currently in Laguna Beach doing interim cleaning for a one-bedroom cottage, and let me show you around. Now that we're done cleaning, now let's check it out. Well, my cleaning angels, we came to an end. Hope you enjoyed watching us clean this home. Showed you guys a little bit what we do. If you'd like to see more videos, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and you'll find a lot more content and information there, okay? My name is Miguel, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.